Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Cheryl. In this video, we are making a vegetable juice. We got a little bit of ginger here. We got some cucumbers, some celery, half of apple, green apple, and some broccoli sprouts, cilantro, some parsley. I just washed this already, guys, and some collard greens and some carrots. And we got juicer here. We're gonna juice this up and now this sprout, guys, we just eat him. Okay, I didn't want to put it in juice, so I'm just gonna eat it. Very good. Here is our juice, guys. It's already done. Celery, parsley, cucumbers, carrot juice, apples, ginger, some celery, cilantro. Ready to drink. Here is our juice, guys. Ready to drink. Here is our drink, guys. Cheers. Happy New Year. Really, really good. The taste of cilantro, parsley, cukes, some, I I did put a little bit ginger, and I can taste ginger to it, and some apple, and I did put a little bit of the broccoli sprouts. So all the best everyone, and happy new year, and we will see you guys on our next video. Bye. Very good.